celebration list. Right now, we have another guest here in the studio. Our friend Phil Jacobs is here from Logan Thompson. Good morning, sir.
Good morning. How are you?
Doing well. Great to have you here in the studio. So talk to us a little bit about Logan Thompson. You guys really are a family there at Logan Thompson.
We are, and thanks for having me. I love being here and talking about Logan Thompson. We've got this new ad campaign that we've rolled out, and it's on some billboards and on our website, maybe even on a couple of our commercials, but it says, "Let our family fight for yours." And I was thinking about that concept and what that means, and it really means different things to different people, but we have 7 law partners at Logan Thompson, and then we have Lori McNulty, who's been with us for 15 years, and then we have 3 associates. We have 11 lawyers, but it's not just the lawyers at Logan Thompson. We have 15 support staff, and we are a family. I've been at Logan Thompson for 20 years. Jimmy's been there for over 50 years. We just have been together a long, long time, and to hold a law firm together and to be practicing law the way that we do, you really do need to be a family. You have to count on each other and support each other, and we all have families independent, so things happen in your own lives, and so over time we have become so close. And I think when we say let our family fight for your family, we want to invite you in to get to know us so you can see that we really do care. We care about each other, and once you're a part of our family, you're a client of our firm, then we are going to go out and fight for you, just like we would fight for our own family. Ironically enough, my little brother called me yesterday because he had some issue, and I'm ready to go help him, just like I would any other client. We just really do care that deeply for the people that put their trust in us. I was also thinking about all the clients that I get to meet with, and they always come in 2s and 3s and 4s. It's rare that someone just comes into my office and it's just me and them talking. That does happen. And dads bring sons, brothers bring sisters, a dad will bring a daughter, and so much of what we do impacts so much of people's families and their lives, and we take that calling seriously, and that's why when we say let our family fight for yours, we realize the impact of what we get to do, the gift that you give us by trusting us to represent you really means.
We're talking with Phil Jacobs with Logan Thompson here in Cleveland, and people are going to have issues come up, and chances are if they're coming to see you all about something, it's because they have an issue going on, and lots of times people are scared to walk through that process, but your team, your family there is there for people.
Yeah, I was watching some dumb TV show the other night, and the guy got fired, and he didn't ask the right questions, and maybe he could have avoided this calamity that he pursued thereafter. But a lot of times people just need to ask the right questions, because bad things happen. Life is really hard, and you make mistakes, or we make mistakes, or someone makes a mistake that impacts you, and you're just kind of out there wondering, what should I do? And that's why you need to call our firm or call a lawyer to say, hey, this is what's happened to me. This is the situation I find myself in. What can I do? What should I do? And so often people are embarrassed or just naive to what is impacting them. And I don't know if we've seen it all and done it all at Logan Thompson, because that would be arrogant, but we've seen so much, and there really is just no judgment, because life is that hard and people go through really difficult times, and you need to be able to get answers to questions that you don't even know what to ask. So that's why we believe in free consults. That's why we meet with so many people that we may never even represent, that we just want to give them the opportunity to ask those questions, to explore those things. We have taken people that may be in your same situation through the whole process and come out on the other side, and we know what it looks like where you might not know what it looks like, and we can give you that confidence. That's a big part of what I hope to do for my clients. I want to give you confidence, so maybe you sleep a little better, maybe you're just a little bit calmer as you try to go about the rest of your life, you're working or raising your kids. Give you some confidence that it will be okay, and that's a part of what we do and what we love to do.
Phil Jacobs with Logan Thompson. Anything else you want to mention while you're here?
No, I don't want to call Matthew before I came up here. Matthew Coleman said, "Hey, what else do I need to plug?" But nothing else. We're just, plugging away, just like everybody else is. We got families and people are finishing school and people are getting ready for the summer. So we're the same, but we're there at number 32nd Street, day in and day out. Please call us 476-2251. Get on our website, check us out, and just give us a call if you have a question or concern. We really do almost everything. If you need bankruptcy, call Bradley Banks. He's your man. If you need everything else, you can call us at Logan Thompson.
All right, that's Phil Jacobs, Logan Thompson here in Cleveland. Great to see you. Thanks for coming in.
Thank you. Love being here.
All right.